Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating word in the English language. Today's word is control. So, what does control mean? Well, simply put, control as a noun means power or command. It's the ability to direct or influence something or someone. Think about it as having the authority to manage or regulate. You might hear it used in phrases like in control or lose control. Now, let's dig a little deeper and explore some synonyms for the word control. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings, and understanding them can really expand your vocabulary. One synonym for control is authority. For example, the teacher has authority over the classroom. Another synonym is power. We could say the government holds significant power in the country. A third synonym is command. Think about a military officer who gives a command to their soldiers. For instance, the captain issued a command to advance. Another useful synonym is management. Effective management is crucial for a successful business. And finally, let's look at supervision. The children need supervision while playing in the park. Now that we've explored some synonyms, let's flip the coin and look at antonyms. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings, and they can help us understand the word control even better. An antonym for control is freedom. For instance, the birds enjoyed their freedom after being released from the cage. Another antonym is chaos. You might hear someone say, the city descended into chaos after the earthquake. A third antonym is anarchy. Anarchy reigned after the government collapsed. Another one is disorder. The files were in complete disorder. And lastly, we have lawlessness. The town suffered from lawlessness due to the absence of police. Now, let's talk about how we use the word control in everyday life. You might hear someone say, I need to take control of my finances, meaning they need to manage their money more effectively. Or perhaps you'll hear, the pilot lost control of the plane, which is a serious situation indicating a loss of command. Another common phrase is under control. For example, the situation is now under control, meaning it's being managed effectively. You might also hear, he has control over his emotions, meaning he can manage his feelings well. Think about driving a car. You have control of the vehicle. Or playing a video game. You have control of the character. Let's look at some more specific sentence examples. She struggled to maintain control of her anger. The remote control is used to change the channels on the TV. The company needs to implement better control measures to prevent fraud. The doctor advised him to get his blood pressure under control. He lost control of the car on the icy road. The government is trying to control inflation. The teacher has excellent control over the class. The security guard is in control of who enters the building. The musician showed great control over his instrument. She exercised control over her spending habits. The company established internal control procedures. He has control of the situation. It is important to control your temper. The central heating system has a temperature control. The project is under control now. The pilot had to regain control of the aircraft. The regulator is in control of safety standards. The country has strict border control. You need self-control when you are on a diet. The government wants to control immigration. She took control of the meeting. We are working hard to bring the disease under control. He demonstrated control in a difficult situation. The manager had full control over the project. They wanted to exert more control over their lives. The police are working to control the crime rate. He always tries to be in control. The machine has a speed control. The government is seeking to control the spread of misinformation. The doctor wants to control the patient's pain. Effective inventory control is essential for the company's success. The bridge has customs and immigration control. The coach lost control of his team. I need to control my spending. So, to recap, today we learned that control means power or command. We explored synonyms like authority, power, command, management, and supervision, as well as antonyms like freedom, chaos, anarchy, disorder, and lawlessness. We also saw how control is used in everyday conversations and common phrases. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. Now, before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn English with us. Also, I'd love to see you put your new vocabulary into practice. Create your own sentence using the word control and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.